Selena, Class 10, Chapter 22, Heights and Distances. Exercise 22C, sum number 1. Find AD, first part. In this figure, angle in triangle AEB, tan 32 is AE upon PE. BE is equal to CD, which is equal to 20 meters. Therefore, AE equal to 20 into tan 32 is 0.6249 equal to 12.50 meters. Therefore, AD is equal to AE plus ED, 12.5 plus 5 equal to 17.5 meters. Part 2. Find AD. In triangle ABC, angle ACD is an exterior angle for triangle ABC. Therefore, angle ABC plus angle BAC is equal to angle ACD. These two are equal. Therefore, angle CBA is equal to angle CAB is equal to, because this plus this is 48 degree, these two are equal. Therefore, each angle is 24 degree. Now, sine 24 is AD upon AB. Therefore, AD is 30 into sine 24 is 0.4067, which is equal to 12.20 meters. Therefore, AD is equal to 12.2 meters. Sum number 2. In the following diagram, AB is a floorboard. PQRS is a cubical box with each side 1 meter. Angle B is 60 degree. Calculate the length of the board AB. In triangle PSB, since angle B is 60 degree, therefore sine 60 is PS upon PB. PS is 1 meter, so therefore PB will be PS upon sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. Taken to the numerator, 2 upon root 3 equal to 1.155 meters. PB is 1.155 meters. Now, angle APQ is also 60 degree, corresponding angles of parallel line. In triangle APQ, cos 60 degree is PQ upon AP. Therefore, AP is equal to PQ is 1 upon cos 60. Cos 60 is half. Taken to the numerator, 2. Therefore, AP equal to 2 meters. AB is equal to AP upon PB. AP is 2, PB is 1.155 equal to 3.155 meters. Sum number 3. Calculate BC. In triangle ADC, tan 42 degree is CD upon AD. Therefore, CD is equal to AD, that is 20 into tan 42 is 0.9004. 20 into 0.9004 is equal to 18.008 meters. Now, in triangle ADB, tan 35 degree is AD upon BD. Therefore, BD is AD upon tan 35 degree. Tan 35 is 0.7002, AD 20. 20 upon 0.7002 is equal to 28.563 meters. Therefore, BC is equal to BD minus CD, which is equal to BD 28.563 minus 18.008 is equal to 10.55 meters. Sub number 4, calculate AB. In triangle AMO, cos 30 degree is AO upon MO. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 equal to AO upon MO equal to 6. Cross multiply. AO is equals to 5.02 meters. In triangle BNO, sin 47 degree is BO upon NO. Sin 47 is 0.73 equal to OB upon 5. Cross multiply. OB equal to 3.65 meter. AB equal to AO plus OB. 5.2 plus 3.65. AB equal to 8.85 meters. Sum number 5. The radius of a circle is given 15 centimeter and chord AB subtends an angle of 131 degree at the center C of the circle. Calculate using trigonometry. Calculate first part, length AB. Second, the distance of AB from C. Given CA is equal to CB is equal to 15 centimeter and angle ACB equal to 131 degree. Drop a perpendicular CP from the center C to chord AB. CP bisects angle ACB as well as chord AB. Therefore, angle ACP is 65.5 degree. In triangle ACP, sin 65.5 degree is equal to AP upon AC. Therefore, AP is equal to 15 into AC is 15, sin 65.5 is 0.91. 15 into 0.91 is 13.65 centimeter. Okay, therefore AB will be 2 into 13.65 equal to 27.30 centimeter. Second part, CP is equal to AP upon AP into cos 65. So cos 65 is CP upon AC. Therefore, CP is AC into cos 65 degree. AC is 15 point cos 65.5 is 0.415, which is equal to 6.22 centimeter. Sum number 6. At a point on a level ground, the angle of elevation of a vertical tower is found to be such that the tangent is phi upon 12. On walking 192 meters towards the tower, the tangent of the angle is found to be 3 upon 4. Find the height of the tower. Let AB be the vertical tower and C and D be the 2 points such that CD equal to 192 meter. Let angle AC be equal to theta. Let angle ADB equal to alpha. Given tan theta is equal to phi upon 12. Tan theta is AB upon BC equal to phi upon 12. Therefore, AB is equal to phi upon 12 BC. Let that be equation 1. Also, tan alpha is equal to 3 upon 4. Alpha is AB upon BD equal to 3 upon 4. AB is phi upon 12 BC. We will write here phi upon 12 BC upon BD equal to 3 upon 4. Phi upon 12 taken this side, 12 upon 5. And BC is 192 plus BD. So we will write here 192 plus BD upon BD equal to 3 upon 4 into 12 upon 5. BD is equal to 240 meters. The BC is 192 plus 240 equal to 432 meters. By 1, AB is 5 by 12 BC. So 5 upon 12 into 432 equal to 180 meters. The height of the tower is 180 meters. Sum number 7. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff at height h meter. At a point on the plane, the height of elevation of the bottom of the flagstaff is alpha and at the top of the flagstaff is beta. Prove that the height of the tower is h tan alpha upon tan beta minus tan alpha. Let AB be the tower of height x meters surmounted by a vertical flagstaff AD. C be the point on the plane such that ACB equal to alpha and BCB equal to beta and AD equal to h. In triangle ABC, tan alpha is equal to AB upon BC. Therefore, AB is x. Therefore, BC will be x upon tan alpha. Let that be equation 1. In triangle DBC, tan beta is equal to BD upon BC. Therefore, BD is equal to BC into tan beta. BC is x tan alpha, x upon tan alpha into tan beta. Okay. BD is h plus x. So BD is h plus x. Take tan alpha either side into tan alpha is equal to x tan beta. Open the bracket. Okay. Open the bracket. H tan alpha plus x tan alpha is equal to x tan beta. Take x tan alpha, this other side will become, so this is x tan beta minus x tan alpha is equals to h tan alpha. X is common, so x into tan beta minus tan alpha is equal to h into tan alpha. Therefore, x equal to h upon tan alpha upon tan beta minus tan alpha. Hence, the height of the tower is h tan alpha upon tan beta minus tan alpha.